Are you familiar with the symptoms of gout? Once you face an attack of this disease, you never forget it. Unfortunately, gout is becoming more and more common. Why is the risk of gout increasing? How to protect yourself from this disease and how to cure it once and for all, without resorting to harmful drugs? Today we will tell you about the prescription of the American Dr. Josh Axe. Why does gout occur? The cause of this disease is the accumulation of uric acid in the body. Its crystals are deposited, including in the synovial fluid of the joints, due to which their mobility is reduced and the inflammatory process begins. Usually the attack is manifested by pain in the area of the big toe. It becomes red and swollen. The pain is so severe that it is impossible to stand or even touch the toe. Further, the inflammatory process can spread to other joints. In advanced cases, the disease is manifested not only by inflammation of the joints, but also by deposits of uric acid under the skin. It forms clots called thiophos, which themselves are dangerous to humans because they can fester. And when the pus gets into the bloodstream, the process of infection begins. Factors of development of gout. There are forms of gout that develop due to a decrease in function in the kidneys. They are unable to excrete enough uric acid to maintain its normal level in the blood. The development of gout can be influenced by hypertension and vascular diseases, as well as diabetes. But most often, unhealthy diet provokes the development of gout. It is proved that men who drink 2 sweet drinks a day have 85 times more chance to develop this disease than men who drink such drinks not more than once a month. This makes it clear that sugar abuse is a major cause of gout. Another food element that leads to this disease is purines. These are chemical compounds found in soup, animal products, some types of fish and vegetables. And, of course, you should not abuse alcohol. Instead, you need to eat more fruits and vegetables, and drink as much water as possible to increase the removal of uric acid from the body. Normalizing the diet can reduce the frequency of gout attacks. But what to do about the disease? But what to do with the disease? Dear viewers, we appreciate your comments and subscriptions, because they help the development and popularization of our channel. Subscribe and support videos with your likes. Sign up and support the video with your likes. How to beat gout? Official medicine offers a number of medications to treat this disease. Non-steroidal and hormonal medications serve to relieve inflammation during acute attacks, but they all have negative effects on the body. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs depress kidney function, and hormones disrupt the natural production of corticosteroids over the kidneys. Add to this a list of possible side effects in the form of more and stomach bleeding, and it becomes clear that you should use these drugs only as a last resort. The main remedies for maintaining normal uric acid levels, allopurinol and febuxostat, also have a negative effect on the kidneys, and given that to achieve the effect they must be taken continuously, it becomes difficult to solve the problem. That is why we want to share the recipe of the American Dr. Josh Axe, who instead of pharmaceutical drugs suggests using a complex of natural products. We are talking about zero means, nettle, fish oil and magnesium. Tea from dried nettles is a powerful anti-inflammatory, which can relieve not only joint inflammation, but also similar processes in internal organs. Therefore, nettle has long been widely used in folk medicine. Contraindication to its intake is only high blood density, as nettle can thicken it even more. Fish oil complements the anti-inflammatory effect of nettle. It is not as powerful, but it works for a long time. This property of fish oil can be explained by the presence in its composition of omega-3 fatty acids. Take fish oil every day. In addition to the prevention and treatment of gout, it activates many important processes in the body and strengthens the immune system. Magnesium plays a crucial role in this complex. After all, if the previous remedies allow to reduce inflammation and consolidate this effect, then magnesium, being an alkaline mineral, reduces the production of uric acid. Thus, taking magnesium at least a couple of times a year for 1 month can normalize the concentration of uric acid in the body. Combine these remedies and you can forget about gout attacks. And how do you treat this disease? Share your recipes in the comments. Tell us what you think about it below the video. And to make sure you don't miss any more informative videos about health and longevity, subscribe to our channel. When you click on the bell, be sure to check that you want to receive all notifications,